Flowing through large parts of western UP, Ramganga is an important tributary of the river Ganga. Before it merges with the main river, it also carries a lot of heavily polluted water. A significant part of this pollution is due to the use of fertilizers and pesticides in agriculture farms, which end up in the river. The people of Moradabad have now undertaken an initiative to save Ramganga by reducing their dependence on pesticides and fertilizers. Calling themselves Ramganga Mitras, these eco-warriors are using biofertilizers in their farms and thus reducing the chemicals directly flowing into the river.
10 लीटर पानी, 1 किलो गोबर गाय का और 1 किलो गाय का पेशाब और 1 किलो चने का बेसन और 1 किलो नीम की पत्तियां, 100 ग्राम गुड़ और इसे घोल के अच्छी तरीके से बंद कर दिया जाए और 1 बीघा में यूज करो उसको.
The use of biofertilizers is not just eco-friendly but also a profitable practice for the farmers.
2.5 क्विंटल के हिसाब से बढ़त हुई है इसमें.
It is not just farmers who have pledged to save Ramganga. Ramganga Mitra has become a silent eco-revolution of the region, with people from all walks of life adapting eco-friendly practices to save Ramganga and the biodiversity dependent on it.
रामगंगा जहरीली हो रही है, जिस वजह से जीव जंतु खत्म होते जा रहे हैं, लुप्त होते जा रहे हैं. जैसे मेन है कछुआ, मछली, नई नई जो प्रजातियां थी मछली में वो भी खत्म होती जा रही हैं. उसको सुरक्षित रखने के लिए हम जैविक खाद, रासायनिक खाद का प्रयोग करें.
Ramganga Mitras, or the multi-stakeholder platform, is one of that initiatives wherein we've got people coming from different backgrounds and pledging for working for rivers revival.
Ramganga Mitra is an example of how effective community-based conservation can revive a dying river.
Ramganga Mitra may be just a small localized initiative to save the river, but it has set an example which can be replicated in the case of conservation of other rivers also. Rohan Singh, DD News, Moradabad.